Today I will be talking about the differences in AutoMoon scripts and some of the products that we do offer on AutoMoon.io, as I have been getting a lot of questions as to what the differences are in the scripts and also how the scripts work in general and some of the pricing differences. So today I thought I would cover that, but before I do get into the video, I do just want to say, make sure you guys check out the website down below. It is AutoMoon.io, and full disclosure, I am a part owner in AutoMoon, meaning I do work directly with the developers and I do get a percentage of all sales. I am an owner of this website, so I may be biased in this review. However, I highly encourage, if any of you guys want to test out this script for yourself, you can always message me on Telegram and I will offer you a free trial. But anyways, let's get right into the video and get into the differences in the AutoMoon scripts. So if you guys don't know what the AutoMoon scripts are, we make TradingView scripts that can be automated or manually traded. So pretty much our scripts allow for alerts and automation, meaning that it gives you buy and sell signals and then you can automate it or just copy it for yourself on your trading account. And basically that's supposed to make it so you can trade profitably automatically or just by looking at signals that the scripts gives you. And so to do that, we have a bunch of different techniques in coding and how our algorithms work. And so we do offer a few different scripts that you can purchase if you are looking to purchase one of our scripts. And the main question really that I've been getting the most is, what is the difference between the script plus Pluto and the script plus Pluto plus long and short? So basically, the only difference between these two scripts is that this one comes with 4 scripts and 4 backtesting scripts, and this one comes with 2 alert scripts and 2 backtesting scripts. So let me explain to you what that does. So this one comes with 2 alert scripts, meaning you have 2 scripts that can tell you when to buy and sell, and you can automate those 2 scripts. And then you have 2 backtesting scripts, meaning you have 2 scripts to backtest those 2 automation scripts. So the alert scripts and the backtesting scripts are almost the same. It's just TradingView requires you to make a separate one for backtesting. And then once you backtest the script using the backtesting scripts, then you can automate it using the alert script. And you might be wondering, what is the Pluto automatic backtester? So I did cover this in my previous video, so I highly recommend you guys check that out. On my previous video on AutoMoon, I actually show it in action. But pretty much what the Pluto automatic backtester does is it does automatically find settings for scripts on TradingView, and this is super helpful. However, it does only work with our scripts currently, but it still is really good. It basically enters in all the settings you want to try out for you, and then it makes an Excel sheet of it so you can find the most profitable settings for whatever coin you're looking at. So that's super helpful, and that's one of the main selling points of our scripts. And then it does come with a setup guide and full support that we do provide on our Telegram groups. Then on this version, it comes with all of these scripts, so it's all the same scripts. The only difference is that you get 1 extra backtesting script and 1 extra alert script that allows you to backtest for leverage trading. So that means that the backtest can take into account both shorts and longs, whereas if you have this script, you can only take into account longs. So if you are looking to do margin trading, then I recommend you get this version. And if you don't trade on BitMEX or Bitfinex leverage, then you might as well just get this one, because there's no need for you to get the backtesting script with shorts. And finally, we do have this script over here, which has confused some people as to what this script is. And so I will be showing you guys what this script is in this video. However, just quickly what it is, this script is for short-term trading. It is the God Complex Simplicity script, and it is completely based on a different algorithm than these 2 AutoMoon scripts here. This is just a completely separate script, and it's really easy to set up. There's no backtesting for settings. However, it is only good for short-term trades. You're not going to get a lot of the long-term trades that you might get with this, where you get really large profits on the long term. So just really quickly to show you guys an example of what I mean by that. Right here we do have some of the examples that I did post on the website, where you can see some of the large profits, some of the long trades that it makes here before closing. And on the Simplicity God Complex script, it will not make these types of trades. It would most likely make a bunch of smaller trades, and you might miss out on some of the profit. However, it's just a different trading strategy in general, so whichever one you like better, you can decide on which one you're going to get. So basically just how it looks on the charts here. So here you can see it on Bitcoin. This is Simplicity God Complex. So this is the cheapest script that we do offer on AutoMoon. It is 0.03 Bitcoin. And so here you can see it in action. You can see that sometimes it does have, little moments where it's not really sure where a coin is going to be headed. And that's really just the worst part about it. Everything else is really, really good, especially in high volatility moments. So, for example, on these moves, or especially on this large move here, it's actually surprisingly, it got the entire move. So that's not something you always see. However, it is interesting to see. And something good about the script is that it requires no setup. I don't have to find any settings for it. If I show you guys here the settings for the script, it is very, very simple. There is no back testing. That's also another thing. There's no back testing for this script. You just have to look at the alerts and see how good they are. So that can be another difference between the God Complex script and the AutoMoon script. And so there's this setting called thing, and pretty much why we call it that is because it's not really a set number that you're changing in the script. There's no really descriptive word that you can use for this, as it really changes different numbers in our strategy, which we cannot directly say. So pretty much if you change this, it can just change up the frequency of the trades. The lower you make it, the more trades you're going to get, and the higher you make it, the less trades you're going to get. So that's just our setting that we have for this script. There's just one setting, and normally, honestly, 100 just works for almost everything that you put it on. And then you have longs and shorts enabled depending on what you want. And obviously this is an alert script like all of our other scripts, where you can long, short, close short, whatever you want here with alerts, so you can automate it if you like. So that's pretty much what our God Complex script is, and I will show it to you guys on some other coins as you guys might want to see that. So you can look at it on Forex. Obviously, it highly depends on the period that you're looking at, whether the script does well or not. So like I was saying earlier, short time frames does work very, very well for this script. You can see here that especially on a lot of these smaller moves, it does get a lot of that profit on Forex. So that's something else that does differentiate itself from the AutoMoon script. It does work well in short time frames, and it also works well in Forex, whereas AutoMoon is more just for cryptocurrency, and Simplicity God Complex can work on both of them. And then if we do look at some of the other cryptocurrency coins, you'll see sort of the same thing, short-term trades. And like I said earlier, the sideways market is really where it does the worst. But other than that, it gets really, really good signals, and you can decide on if you want to use it long or short-term, although it does tend to work a lot better on short-term. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video on my overview of the God Complex TradingView script offered by AutoMoon. And once again, if you guys are interested in checking out these scripts, I highly recommend you check out my other video on our other AutoMoon scripts before deciding on which one to purchase and which one fits your needs. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and see you guys in the next one.